the knowledge library present. Amazing, important and informative MCQs on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born in which city? Option A, Murshidabad. Option B, Midnapur. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, Cuttack. The correct answer is option D, Cuttack. The next question is, which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1939 after he broke away from Congress? Option A, Forward Bloc. Option B, Revolutionary Front. Option C, Azad Hind Fauj. Option D, Indian Freedom Party. The correct answer is option A, Forward Bloc. Next question is, Subhash Chandra Bose had founded Forward Bloc in which year? Option A, 1939 AD. Option B, 1938 AD. Option C, 1937 AD. Option D, 1936 AD. The correct answer is option A, 1939 AD. The next question is, who joined Subhash Chandra Bose to found All India Forward Bloc and actively associated with the INA movement? Option A, Ram Narain Prasad. Option B, Shil Bhadraya Ji. Option C, Baikunth Shukla. Option D, Jai Prakash Narayan. The correct answer is option B, Shil Bhadraya Ji. The next question is, who suggested the idea of the Indian National Army? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Shahnawaz. Option C, Niranjan Singh Gill. Option D, Mohan Singh. The correct answer is option D, Mohan Singh. The next question is, in which year was the Indian National Army founded? Option A, 1943. Option B, 1942. Option C, 1941. Option D, 1940. The correct answer is option B, 1942. The next question is, the first commander of Azad Hind Fauj was option A, Shahnawaz Khan. Option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C, Pritam Singh. Option D, Mohan Singh. The correct answer is option D, Mohan Singh. Next question is, Organization of Azad Hind Fauj was declared on option A, 18th February 1946. Option B, 21st October 1943. Option C, 8th August 1942. Option D, 26th January 1930. The correct answer is option B, 21st October 1943. The next question is, Subhash Chandra Bose announced the establishment of Provisional Government of Free India on option A, 24th October 1943. Option B, 23rd October 1943. Option C, 22nd October 1943. Option D, 21st October 1943. The correct answer is option D, 21st October 1943. The next question is, where was Azad Hind Fauj set up in 1943? Option A, Malaya. Option B, Singapore. Option C, Burma. Option D, Japan. The correct answer is option A, Malaya. The next question is, which Indian revolutionary helped Subhash Chandra Bose in the establishment of Azad Hind Fauj? Option A, Surya Sen. Option B, Ram Prasad Bismil. Option C, Ras Bihari Bose. Option D, Batukeshwar Dutt. The correct answer is option C, Rash Bihari Bose. The next question is, the head of office of Azad Hind Fauj is situated at option A, Delhi. Option B, Berlin. Option C, Rangoon. Option D, Tokyo. The correct answer is option C, Rangoon. The next question is, who said तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा? Option A, भगत सिंह. Option B, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. Option C, बाल गंगाधर तिलक. Option D, महात्मा गांधी. The correct answer is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question is, during the Indian freedom struggle, who of the following raised an army called Free Indian Legion? Option A, V.D. Savarkar. Option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C, Rash Bihari Bose. Option D, Lala Hardayal. The correct answer is option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question is, who among the following established Rani Lakshmi Bai Regiment? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Lakshmi Swaminathan. Option C, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, Rash Bihari Bose. The correct answer is option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question is, who among the following called Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak? Option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Ram Manohar Lohia. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. The next question is, who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Bhagat Singh. Option C, S.C. Bose. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question is, who among the following had not advocated in INA Red Fort trial in 1945? Option A, Dr. Kailash Nath Kadju. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Bhulabhai Desai. The correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question is, who among the following has pleaded on the side of the Indian National Army officers in the Red Fort trial? Option A, Sir T.V. Sapru. Option B, M.A. Jinnah. Option C, Motilal Nehru. Option D, C.R. Das. The correct answer is option A, Sir T.V. Sapru. The next question is, the famous INA trials took place in the Red Fort, Delhi in which year? Option A, 1947. Option B, 1944. Option C, 1946. Option D, 1945. The correct answer is option D, 1945. The next question is, who among the following had headed the group of advocates to argue the case on behalf of the Indian National Army in 1945? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Sir Tej Bahadur Sapru. Option C, Kailash Nath Kadju. Option D, Bhulabhai Desai. The correct answer is option D, Bhulabhai Desai. The next question is, who among the following officers of Azad Hind Fauj did not face famous Red Fort trials? Option A, Shahnawaz. Option B, Mohan Singh. Option C, Prem Sehgal. Option D, Gurdayal Singh. The correct answer is option B, Mohan Singh. The next question is, which soldier of Azad Hind Fauj was sentenced to 7 years imprisonment? Option A, Rash Bihari Bose. Option B, Rashid Ali. Option C, Shahnawaz. Option D, Aruna Asaf Ali. The correct answer is option B, Rashid Ali. The next question is, the Azad Hind Fauj Day was observed on option A, 10th November 1945. Option B, 5th November 1945. Option C, 11th November 1945. Option D, 12th November 1945. The correct answer is option D, 12th November 1945. The next question is, the ancestral house of Subhash Chandra Bose is now turned into option A, Netaji Bhavan. Option B, Netaji Museum. Option C, Netaji Sadan. Option D, Netaji Sangrahalaya. The correct answer is option B, Netaji Museum. The next question is, Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar is awarded by which union ministry? Option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Defence. Option C, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option D, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The answer is option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. The next question is, in which year Azad Hind radio service was started under Subhash Chandra Bose in Germany? Option A, 1941. Option B, 1942. Option C, 1943. Option D 1944. The correct answer is option B 1942. The next question is, who was defeated by Subhash Chandra Bose during his re-election as president of INC at Tripuri session in 1939? Option A J.B. Kriplani. Option B Patabi Sitaramaiah. Option C Rajendra Prasad. Option D Abdul Kalam Azad. The correct answer is option B Patabi Sitaramaiah. The next question is, the INA was organized by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at which of the following places? Option A Rangoon. Option B Singapore. Option C Taiwan. Option D Tokyo. The correct answer is option B Singapore. The next question is, which NDRFS battalion has won the first ever Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar? Option A 9th. Option B 11th. Option C 8th. Option D 4th. The correct answer is option C 8th. The next question is, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Museum has recently inaugurated in which of the following cities? Option A Port Blair. Option B New Delhi. Option C Tiruchirappalli. Option D Kollam. The correct answer is option B New Delhi. The next question is, which among the following was the commission of inquiry on the alleged disappearance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A Nanavati Commission. Option B Mukherjee Commission. Option C Libraham Commission. Option D Justice Subramanian Commission. The answer is option B Mukherjee Commission. Next question is, where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose establish Provisional Government of Free India? Option A Singapore. Option B Rangoon. Option C Malaysia. Option D Germany. The correct answer is option A Singapore. The next question is, during which of the following years Port Blair was the headquarters of the Azad Hind government under Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A 1941 to 1942. Option B 1942 to 43. Option C 1943 to 44. Option D 1944 to 45. The correct answer is option C 1943 to 44. The next question is, in which year Bharat Ratna was announced for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A 1988. Option B 1991. Option C 1992. Option D 1996. The correct answer is option C 1992. The next question is, in which year Interim Government of India Arzi Hukumat-e-Hind was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A 1941. Option B 1942. Option C 1943. Option D 1945. The correct answer is option C 1943. The next question is, what was the birth date of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Option A 15th August 1947. Option B 26 January 1930. Option C 23rd January 1897. Option D 2nd October 1869. The correct answer is option C 23rd January 1897. The next question is, in 1941 Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose reached which country to seek international support for India's freedom fight? Option A Germany. Option B Japan. Option C Italy. Option D Soviet Union. The correct answer is option A Germany. The next question is, Bose launched to propagate his ideas for during the freedom struggle? Option A the freedom fighter. Option B the Indian struggle. Option C the Azad Hind. Option D the forward bloc. The correct answer is option B the Indian struggle. The next question is, in 1938 Congress session Netaji was elected as the president of the Indian National Congress. Which session was it? Option A Calcutta Kolkata. Option B Haripura Gujarat. Option C Bombay. Option D Madras or Chennai. The correct answer is option B Haripura Gujarat. The next question is, From the early childhood, Netaji was deeply influenced by the ideology and philosophy of option A. Swami Vivekananda, option B. Mahatma Gandhi, option C. Rabindranath Tagore, option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option A. Swami Vivekananda. The next question is, which slogan coined by Subhash Chandra Bose to the Indians to rise and fight for their rights during World War II? Option A. Dilli Chalo, option B. Jai Hind, option C. Inqilab Zindabad, option D. Vande Mataram. Option C. Inqilab Zindabad. Next question is, in 1939, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the post of Congress President due to the differences with which senior Congress leader? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option C. Mahatma Gandhi, option D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is, in 1930, Netaji was elected as the mayor in which city? Option A. Delhi, option B. Kolkata, option C. Bombay, option D. Lahore. The correct answer is option B. Kolkata. The next question is, who called Subhash Bose as honorific Netaji? Option A. The Germans, option B. The Japanese, option C. The People of Congress Party, option D. Indian soldiers of the Indies Legion. The answer is option D. Indian soldiers of the Indies Legion. The next question is, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's elder brother was also a prominent leader of the Indian National Congress. What was his name? Option A. Sarojini Naidu, option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option C. Sarat Chandra Bose, option D. Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option C. Sarat Chandra Bose. The next question is, what was Bose's ideology for economic system for independent India? Option A. Capitalism, option B. Socialism, option C. Mixed economy, option D. Communism. The correct answer is option B. Socialism. The next question is, in which year Azad Hind radio service was started under Subhash Chandra Bose in Germany? Option A. 1943, option B. 1945, option C. 1942, option D. 1944. The correct answer is option C. 1942. The next question is, when Netaji gave his iconic Dilli Chalo speech, from where and when? Option A. July 1943 Singapore, option B. March 1940 Delhi, option C. February 1938 Berlin, option D. October 1940 Tokyo. The correct answer is July 1943 Singapore. The next question is, Netaji delivered his most iconic and motivational speech in Burma to the members of his Indian National Army in 1944. Which of the following is that? Option A. Give me blood and I promise you freedom, option B. Dilli Chalo, option C. Purna Swaraj, option D. Inqilab Zindabad. The correct answer is option A. Give me blood and I promise you freedom. The next question is, who raised an army called Free Indian Legion during Indian freedom struggle? Option A. V.D. Savarkar, option B. Subhash Chandra Bose, option C. Ras Bihari Bose, option D. Lala Hardayal. The correct answer is option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question is, what was the name of the aircraft Netaji was boarded that crashed in Taiwan Form in 1945? A. Tiger Moth, option B. Spitfire, option C. Hawker Hurricane, option D. Mitsubishi Ki-21. Answer is option D. Mitsubishi Ki-21.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.